YouTube. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ceethegoat. Twin in the building. We at that shooting range, you feel what I'm saying? We finna box and shit out. I ain't gonna lie. Finna be a smoother day though. Stay tuned though. We finna tap in. Twin got the, hold on. Twin got that AR motherfucker, you feel me? That bag right there. If you know, you know.
Y'all have to be 21 to shoot pistols. So you can only shoot rifles.
That's crazy.
Alright, y'all can have his lane, but y'all will still have to run out of AR. Well, I guess y'all can share his.
Okay. Nah, we able to shoot pistols in our lane too?
You can shoot pistols in your lane, they can't.
Okay, so okay, y'all can share my gun. But I got a lot of box of ammo.
Okay, cool. Some slaps. Yeah. They ain't gonna lie, y'all. Well, I can't even. Oh shit! I can't even shoot it because I'm under 21, so I'm kind of shitty, y'all. But
wait, what? Oh, I'm bad. Get a target.
But yeah, y'all, I can't even shoot it bit, so we shooting that back out today. Feel what I'm saying? Shit that they talking about.
What nigga that baby?
Hey y'all, which one should I get though? Look, you want the skeleton or the black one? Y'all seen that one at my other crib, so yeah, I might get that skelly. You feel me? Miss Skelly.
More of the story.
Hey, you got the bullets?
Yeah, they're right. Wait, hold on, call you back. That's how to hold all this shit.
I'm probably gonna get that one too.
I got that black one.
But get the skull one.
I do want that one.
That's what I was gonna get. Got it. Oh. Yo, that time. I ain't gonna lie, y'all can hear everything through this bit. This shit ain't got no sound at all. But hell, y'all. Y'all see it. Soon as this true, no bullshit. Bust that I'm bored.
Oh shit.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit hard. Nigga finna miss every shot in this bitch.
Eat his face, no cap.
Yo.
You think like what you gotta do? You gotta think. You gotta go with it.
I ain't gonna lie, that number is Billy. Number Billy shots.
No, my shit accurate though.
Oh God, you not missing that bit. That's the smallest target I've ever seen.
Oh, nah, dead ass. That boy got aim.
Oh God.
You motherfucker keep jumping.
Listen that motherfucker.
Nigga think he a sniper.
That nigga finna shoot that bit. Deadpool range.
Right there. That's too close.
No,
That's about. I would say that's about. On God, you'd be surprised.
That nigga's close as fuck. Let me know you was going, bro.
Big ass truck. Trying to bust that bitch. On God.
What gun you said that is?
AR?
Yeah.
That's AR-10. AR-10.
Do fly. I'm so sad I couldn't bring my candy. I got the reflex, so I was not missing with that bitch. Like, damn, bro. That's that hurt. Yeah, ain't gonna lie, he got that bit.
probably maybe a shoulder.
The shot, I shot a 12 gauge.
See how you hold that.
12 gauge worse. Huh? 12 gauge worse. Mild like this.
Now that bit busted.
That's how you hold it?
Yeah, you gonna blow it. I think it's smart. Bring this shit up.
Better teach nigga how to hold it,
I don't know.
I missed that.
You see it with him? Feel me? He finna shoot some shit now. He better shoot some shit now. He do fly. Nigga, what's it? 18. Bullets from the Glock. It's still a wait. So how is he able to shoot?
He not. He just gonna shoot that.
That's what I was gonna do. Shit.
Yeah, I thought about that shit.
I was like, what they gonna do?
He can't shoot.
I'm gonna let that motherfucker big as hell. This one and that whole nigga fucking light foot. They can't even load that bitch up.
I don't even know how to load this.
Yo, with this bit, see what he finna shoot. Ain't gonna lie, he kinda got a hard one, so good luck. So let me get that bit.
It's really straight, I ain't gonna lie.
First time from the AR-10.
You gotta hold your shit better though. That's what's fucking you up.
That's not bad for first time though.
My shit
Some slight.
going on to the left.
That one headshot though.
Yeah, man. And the next shot.
Yeah, that ain't gonna lie, that's probably the best one. What's impressive?
Hey, don't put your finger right there, nigga. Don't put it on the barrel.
Yeah, that shit gonna
Oh, no, I'm just
hit your ass. Oh, my fuck.
Wait, what?
It's gonna burn his ass.
Shoot like that, nigga.
But it's that's I ain't shot a gun before.
But he felt like he did. Oh, you shot it.
You don't never wrong. Huh?
You said what? Oh, whatever.
I'm gonna let you be to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot fire more.
How you got it for it?
Towards shooter.
I'm gonna give you a video watch it.
I said I had to get one red, some red.
I should've got a.
I should have shot the head though. Damn, you shot it already?
Nah, I ain't shoot.
Oh, I was about to say that.
Safety yet almost.
Niggas already caught. The fuck? Wow. Hey, hold on. I said, bullet filling your shit in it.
Wait, I'm gonna teach y'all a trick. It's easy to hold the pistol.
This nigga shooting that bitch.
Oh shit, I got a bullet. Good. But even your whole like that shit easy though.
That nigga, he was like,
I'm just shooting that shit easy though.
yeah. You
That
gotta
shit feel like nothing.
Oh god, no, that glass shit so
Y'all be
sweet.
holding
That shit easier than that.
Y'all be holding it like this.
Are you supposed to?
No, y'all
gotta hold it
like
like-
this.
No,
It like a
god.
D in that bit, bro.
I'm finna shoot that bad guy, y'all. Shoot that bad talking about. I love that bad guy out. I'll get back to y'all in like a second.
That bro, you look uncomfortable shooting that motherfucker.
I don't even heard of it.
I'm not shooting.
Did you cock it?
These niggas. Oh boy.
Can't get a bullet kicked out unless you do it.
Damn. Boy, you can't shoot no shotgun. Yeah. Put it on your shoulder. Yeah, you gotta rest it.
In between your shoulders.
Like this or over it?
Nah, in your shoulder, nigga.
I ain't play Call of Duty. Actually put it between your shoulders. Like, actually, like, you gotta put it back. Don't, cause you like this. Like, kinda like that.
Like that?
In a way. And then, just be like,
I slick do like the AR better. Damn, my ears hurt.
Shotgun, boy. That shit really fucked you up. Shotgun. I fuck after shotgun, though.
It is like a no suck.
Imagine niggas shooting rocket launchers. I low key like that one better than the gun.
I do forward, but it's hard to aim. Like I don't know how to. You feel me? I heard Grady say this like. Nigga, that first shot was crazy. I'm like, hey yo, come on, like that shit is crazy. I ain't gonna cap. How do you like if a nigga breaking your shit, you just start shooting with that? Like, how the fuck you aim with it?
This will put my aim up.
I don't even know how to aim with that bitch. I was just shooting.
Like off here.
Yeah.
So I was shooting, I was aiming like weird.
Yeah.
So that's why my aim was so off.
Why don't you make it? Switch it.
Through it. Like,
Southside C, right?
it's some weird ass shit.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. That nigga did not miss today. Like,
I never miss. It is. I can't get the sight to send it back to the middle. So I was looking like left.
that's what I was saying. Like, when I was shooting that bit, I don't even know how to like, cause it's on my like with a Glock, you can just aim that bit forward, like, straight and shit. That's you kind of gotta lean that way.
Trying all headshots.
It's on. No, that shit. I ain't gonna lie. That shit would be hard as fuck.
Damn, we made everybody leave.
Fast, didn't it?
Huh?
Oh God, that's what I said. We got even by our son now. Shit. Shit. I heard Grady say this like, what's in strikers to that bitch? 7.62s to your head. Now you can't even see the bitch. That Glock though, he got the aim though. With the Glock, let's see the AR.
That should be straight. It should be straight. How the he hold a gun better than both y'all niggas?
You know how to hold that bitch. He's sick.
You shoot better than both of you niggas.
Shit.
Shit, that was my first thoughts, man.
If I had a target like that, I
Oh, yeah, I
would
think
have
it's
missed a
out.
shot.
Oh, yeah, it's out.
Damn, that was quick.
Damn, I thought you shoot better than both of you.
Nigga, I had a target like that, I wouldn't have missed a shot. Dead ass.
No, his holding posture was better. Y'all
Nah, he definitely hold that bitch, bro. I ain't never, but I don't even know how to hold that bitch, bro. Like, that shit different. Okay, cool.
I mean to turn that bitch off.
Yeah.
I shoot my Glock like this.
I ain't gonna lie, I gotta
every shot.
every shot. Your head gonna be
shot.
jumping.
You see that one?
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't missed one.
Ain't gonna catch though. Twin did right.
That nigga shot better.
Oh, no, he definitely did.
Yeah, we all have bullets.
We got like 20 left. Fly part 2 and they did. Then got a whole new picture and shit. Fly. Oh shit. Oh my god.
What's up?
What is that? That looks like a.
Say hello to my little friend.
That motherfucker hard. Alright, twin.
Hey, hold on, that's it. Yeah, push that button on the side. Right there. Right here.
This bit was already cocked.
You was already caught, yeah. Well, that cocks automatically. There you go. Why y'all shaking like strippers, nigga? She's fired. I think I got bullets left.
I ain't even shoot my. What the fuck?
I can't fit my bullets.
Man,
Man,
the headshot, my nigga. Like, I'm really him with you.
Oh, he got auto. I got bullets
Okay,
left.
cool.
So
Oh, God.
have a refill.
literally, bro. I'm not
Nah,
finna use this bitch no more. Like,
This shit out. I'm about to shoot my bullets. I ain't gonna hold you.
I got
I'm like, nigga, you better
got like
put your money back, nigga.
12, 13 left. Like, come on.
You supposed to take, cause what time is it?
7.
Man, the shit close at 7 minutes, 30 minutes, bro. We
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna get right now. One last bullet left.
My bad, I got
I think so.
No, what? Wait, no, let me see real quick. Oh, yeah. Wait, that's a split on safe. Nigga, let's tight that wrong. Damn.
I really like that.
You got a headshot?
Nigga, I got 3 in a row last time.
Tight back down.
Huh?
It's tight. Like, that other one. Front side.
I did get that bitch straight in the dome.
But I got 3 in a row the last time. Really 4. Look at this
We
shit.
can buy all the
Nigga,
bullets.
I got 4 in a row. I'm really
No,
done.
that's tough.
We can buy all the bullets. So we got, what, 12 shots?
Hell yeah.
I got the last 6.
Yeah.
That shit really is easy to shoot. I got that bitch straight in the middle. Natural born shooter. I'm like Ray Allen with this shit.
Why that sight down?
Twin like Stephen Curry.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Let me chill out.
Damn, nigga. Shoot to the right. Shoot to the right, nigga.
To the right? Damn, cut.
Yeah. Yo shit, you just shot 3 to the left.
Yo, you missed the
5 to the left.
For real?
Yes, nigga.
Oh, this, you looking through the hole.
Yeah, you can't look through the
You
hole.
look through this?
You gotta look. Look to the.
Bama, you looking this hole right here through that?
Nigga just shot 5 to the left.
This nigga done missed every target, the whole target.
Bro, how is that shit going up there? How many is that?
That's 8.
Well, how many I got left? Where's that? 2. You finish a bit.
Well, you know, he
Somebody, your 2 friend. Man, fuck this shit, man. I don't know how to aim it bit.
There you go. That's a headshot.